Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will not edit game files. Vanguard prevents tampering and that risks bans. Instead, start in the client. Open Valorant, go to Settings, Video. Change texture quality to low or medium and set render resolution lower to reduce memory usage. Once done, apply and restart the client so the engine rebuilds internal caches. You're changing what the game loads legally and safely, which achieves the same performance effect as deleting textures without breaking rules. Next, optimize surrounding settings to reduce texture load and keep image clarity. Lower anti-aliasing, environment detail, and shadow quality. That reduces RAM pressure and improves frame stability. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and Windows Power Plan is on high performance so rendering isn't throttled. If you need more FPS, use the in-game low or performance preset. Do not use third-party file editors. These steps change behavior within supported controls and keep your account safe. Finally, confirm everything. If textures appear missing or corrupted after tweaks, run the Riot Client Repair tool to verify and restore official assets. If problems persist, reinstall Vanguard and Valorant rather than editing files yourself. Remember, modifying game files can trigger bans. If you're unsure, contact Riot support for guidance. One key troubleshooting tip: use the repair tool first. It resolves most texture and load issues without risking account action. So try that before any risky steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.